Thursday the 16th of September, 9:30 at night. Different part along the road. Just this high-pitched noise constantly going. Marshals wrote to one of the neighbours, said they were doing some work in taxiing and some essential work, because everything is essential for the safety of the airport. But they never had the decency to actually write to the neighbours and say, we're doing this work late at night. They said it'll be running tonight, last night, tomorrow night, and Monday, and possibly longer. This is who marshals are. They don't bother telling people. It's driving people insane.